Hi, I'm Rhon. I'm an engineer 3 here at IMI, and I've been working for a little bit over 5 years now. Yeah, so I'm in charge of validating the manufacturing equipment that produces our products, and pretty much what that entails is making sure the machines produce product in a reliable and repeatable fashion. I'm also in charge of helping deliver new products, transferring them from design to production. I also optimize our existing processes to further improve, the customer product experience. Exciting the most is I just get to work hands-on as well as be a part of a cross-functional team where the end goal is to just make good, consistent product that we send out to our customers. Some of the members of these cross-functional teams just include product development, marketing, quality, and we all work and come together to deliver the best possible product we can to our customers. Well, my role primarily involves validations, and validations are a way to ensure that we are consistently producing high quality product that will just help facilitate a better customer experience. My role will help ensure that we make dependable product for our customers, like compound pharmacies and hospitals. The goal is to help our customers integrate our products into their own processes. Our products help maintain the security and sterility from our compounding pharmacists to their end patients. So in my role, we take customer feedback and we use that to drive process improvement and optimization projects to just better enhance our products for our customers' specialized needs. We work alongside material vendors and other SMEs to deliver a new process that will deliver products that are high quality and that our customers can trust.